Part 2. Modifying the slave ID. First, we send a command string to read its slave ID. The command to send is 0103000001. Click Send. The response we get is 01030205011784. 501 is the value of the 0 by 000 register. The lower 8 bits of this value are 01, which is the sensor's slave ID. Now we want to change it from 01 to 02. First, we enter the command 0106000502. .501 is the value of the 0 by 0000 register. To write 0502 into the 0 by 000 register, click Send. After clicking Send, we receive a data string 02060000502068. The 0502 in the response indicates that the modification has been successful. It means the Modbus ID has been changed to 02. Next, we read the Modbus ID again. After changing the ID, we need to restart the sensor. Here, we first disconnect the power, then reconnect it. Now we access it using address 02. Click Send. It has responded. The response value is 02030205, 02 Savine D5. 502 is the value of the sensor's register. 2 is the lower 8 bits, and the lower 8 bits correspond to the Modbus ID. The 7ED5 at the end is the CRC check code. Up to this point, the sensor's ID has been successfully modified. We understand your needs.